Really good wallbang. Like, that's a kill half the time. Yeah, this guy's hit champ. I could just tell by how he's moving. And his pre-aims are so good. Bad flash, but it's okay. That one was good. Anticipates the flank. Baits the flank. Okay. That was... Alright. Shooting those 3 bullets right there might not seem like a lot. That was the smartest thing he could have did in that scenario. This guy's good. Under. He heard him. Okay. That's the best clip of the day. I'm not even trolling. That's the best clip of the day. That sound bait to get the guy to flank him was so smart. Bro, I'm giving this... Yo, Resentful. I think you're controller too. Resentful, I'm giving this a 9.5 out of 10, bro. The only thing that doesn't make this a 10 is it was just 3 kills. If you would have did that for like 4 or 5 kills, I would have given you a 10. Bro, that sound bait was so smart. Oh my god. That sound bait was so smart. Holy shit, that was good.